This is a 1979 Harley Davidson Shovelhead. It's a project bike. It's twin spark plugs for each cylinder head, so there's 4 spark plugs all together. It's got custom wheels, 2 calipers on the back brake. It's kickstart and electric start. There's not enough go in that battery to turn the motor, so we've got it on jump start and boost. You can select the gears, but they are a bit floppy around the linkages. So we'll get it started. It's backfiring and spluttering, but you never know, it might run. Alrighty, Terry. About as good as we've had it running, but at least it's running.